Okay viewers, I welcome you all to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you or take you to proper way of joining your coaxial cable. Actually what we need are coaxial cable, kitchen knife blade, your sellotape, your F connectors, and then your F connector joiner. This is how it looks like. Now these are the F connectors. So what you do is definitely we'll peel off a part of the coaxial cable where I'm going to show you the first method. So after peeling it off, the first coat to be off, and then you see the dielectric part 2, then you take that particular one to off. So after preparing this way, this is what you now have, and then you now take off the part holding the copper cable. So you have this one as well. That is when after preparing it this way, this is what you'll be left with. Then you now connect your F connector to the cable. So this is first part. That is in the instance that you're going to join two cables together. So you now peel off this part too. You take off the first coat. You now take off the one part 2 covering the copper wire, and now screw the F connector to it. So after screwing it, you have something like this. So these are now the two cables. These are now the two cables, and then this is where you now use the F connector joiners to join the two cables together by screwing it to the other or the first F connector. So this is the part, one part, and then this is how you screw the other part too. You understand? So you have something like this. Remind you, leaving in this way, exposing it to the rain wouldn't be good. So that is why you now have to use your sellotape. You have to use your sellotape to sellotape around the part that you've joined. You understand? This is just the part you've joined with your sellotape. So this is the first method that you can use. Watch very well. This is the first method. This is the first method. So now the other method you can use, is by peeling off or preparing the ends and then joining them together. So let me take you through this part. You have to make sure that you cut enough of the edge. We are taking off this. You now bring back the dielectric will now be taken off, and then you prepare it this way. So this is what you left with. You have the copper here, and then mind you, don't let even one touch this one. No, it's not good. Don't let even a piece of this one touch the copper. That way you can fry your decoder or your signal will not come. So I'm preparing the other one too for you to see. Prepare it this way, and then you take off the part covering the copper too as well. So now this is what you have. After preparing the two edges of it, this is what you now have. So this is where you just, so this is the second method I'm going to show you. When I'm done, I'll show you the other one, which is recommended but not always good. You understand? So you can either go this way, you understand, and then this one go round, equal it around the other ones. Understand? So this is what you left with, and then what you do is you cut off the part which is remaining. cut off the part which is remaining. Understand? So this is what you now have. And then when you are done, you now what sellotape the copper. You don't let the dielectric touch the copper. Do not touch it at all. You run it, go this way, and then you join this part too. The dielectric tool will now come this way. So this is what you now have. So after sellotaping this way, you are now good to go. You now have your cable neatly joined. So the first method is by joining it with the F connector joiner, or if you don't have it, you join it this way, and then you are good to go. You understand? So these are the two methods, or these are some ways that you can join your Coaxial cables neatly and nicely. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe, share so that others too also benefit. Thank you for watching, and then goodbye.